Hi everyone, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm making Santa boot cookies for Christmas in July. I don't know why I like making Christmas cookies in July so much, but there's just something fun about revisiting the Christmas season in the middle of summer that just makes me happy. So I started out by scratching an outline with my Scribe of where I wanted the belt to be, and then I outlined that area with black royal icing in about a 15 to 20 second consistency and put a squiggle in the middle. The squiggle helps to prevent craters in small areas. I let that set up for a few seconds while I went ahead and filled in the sole of the boot, and then I came back and filled in the belt. I used my Scribe to help shape the icing. Let the black icing dry for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then I outlined the red part of the boot and put a squiggle in the middle to help prevent craters again, and then filled in the top part of the boot. And again, I used my Scribe to help shape the area. Then I finished filling in the bottom part of the boot. Going back to talking about craters, I'm going to use my Scribe to look for any air bubbles and pop them. And sometimes if you see them, you can lay your Scribe or your toothpick sideways into the icing, and that helps bring up the bubble and pop it. After letting the red icing dry for at least 5 to 10 minutes, go back with your yellow icing in about a 20-second consistency and pipe the belt buckle. Let the cookie dry for at least a couple of hours before going back and outlining and filling in the white fur on the top of Santa's boot. And then immediately pour some sanding sugar sprinkles over the white part of the boot. And this little mini cookie is done. Thank you so much for joining me for Christmas in July. I hope that you had fun watching this video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.